So, raising question that we have today. What do you do when it's missing the piece and you don't have it? But maybe it's your car and you want to drive it to work and you kind of need a fog lamp in it. It's very helpful, especially when you live in some less than nice backcountry areas. Having fog lamps can be very, very nice to have. So knowing how to fix this stuff, you can get your car back on the road if this is all you're waiting for. You don't have to buy expensive parts just because a piece is broken or missing. All you need is a little creativity and a go-get-it attitude. Luckily for you, I've got the creativity and the go-get-it attitude. Now the question is, how's it gonna look when it turns out? Because it's missing quite a bit right now, so let's see how close we can get it to looking what we think it should be like. Now what we have is we have just enough of this corner right here as it comes around where I can kind of gauge where the end of it is going to be. So I'm gonna go off of it right about there, and I'm gonna build out to about there. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Start off, all I'm doing right now is I'm going to just get material down, lay a base, give me something to go off of. It's not always easy as I say it is. Especially when things don't want to cooperate. This is the fun of the job sometimes. Oh man. Let's see here. I'm still gotta get more plastic into that. It keeps catching on fire. The adhesive from the tape is catching on fire. But I need the stickiness to stick the plastic to. Remember, all we're doing now is just laying down the fabric for what we want later. That did not come out like I planned. Abort, abort, abort. Not really. It looks messy, but it's fine. It'll be fine, I promise. With me a little bit here. We will keep working with this. Show you all how I work through a problem. It's not even a problem right now. Right now all it is just a matter of juggling heat. Juggling the heat so we can get the plastic to lay down. Alright, the better we can juggle the heat, the better we can get more plastic laid down. And when there's enough plastic, then we can start shaping. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but this is coming together very nicely. We're getting a very, very nice clump of plastic starting to form. The Looks like it's liquefying well. It's all pooling very well together. Essentially, if you had thicker welding rods, you could speed up this process by laying down more plastic at one time. I don't generally do a lot where I need that kind of excess plastic, so for what I use, I have to demonstrate with what I have. Right now, it literally just looks like a mess pile down there. Alright. Might be thinking there's no way that's going to come out to be anything. Oh, but it will. Oh, but it will. Actually, quite a bit of material here. Really play with a lot. Go at my outside. Once we get the rough surface, then we'll take the tape off and it will really shape it better and you'll start seeing it come together. You'll definitely notice. Okay, that's starting to make sense. Like I said, right now it just kind of looks like a molten clay. You just literally have clay you're working with essentially here. I think that's what I like about plastic is it's do anything with it. If you can think about it in your mind, you can put your mind to it, you really can build it. Some pretty cool stuff. Alright, so just do some more shaping here. Tune in for the next video and I'll show you how we finish that off. Thanks for watching.